Okay, we're going to look at this problem using concrete models and drawings or the algorithm. Please solve the following problem: 673 times 3 and 94 hundredths. Well, for this problem, so I'm going to use the algorithm. So I'm going to rewrite the problem to 673 times 3 and 94 hundredths. Now remember, we do not have to line up place value when it comes to multiplication because we're using the operation for each number. In addition, it's just, you stick with place value when you're doing the addition. When multiplication, we're multiplying every digit by the other digit. So it doesn't matter. We do want to keep things, somewhat in line. So if it's 3 digits by 3 digits, all those digits should line up. So let's just go through the process of the algorithm. So first we're going to look at this 4 right here. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 1 is 29. Carry the 2. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. Okay. Now we're going to look at the 9. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out these so I don't get confused. Remember, we're moving over. This is really 90 or 90 hundredths that we're multiplying by. So we have 9 times 3 is 27. Carry the 2. 9 times 7 is 63 plus 2 is 65. Carry the 6. 9 times 6 is 54 plus 6 is 60. And I write the 60 down. Next step, we're going to look at the 3. Okay. So I'm going to get rid of my carry thing that I did there. Remember, we have another place value, so there's going to be a 0 here and here. So we're moving over. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Now we do our addition. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 5 is 12. Plus 9 is 21. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. And 2 plus 0 is 2. Now remember, we are not finished yet. We have this number 2,600, or let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We have 265,162. Well, if I think about this problem up here, and I see 673 is about 700, 3 and 94 hundredths is about 4, so 700 times 4 would be 2,800. Well, there's no way it could be 265,162. That wouldn't make any sense. So we need to remember to look at the place value to the right of a decimal point of any of the numbers that we're using to multiply. So we see here that there's 2 numbers to the right of the decimal point. So I have my decimal point here for the number 265,162, and I move it over 2 times. So my official answer for 673 times 3 and 94 hundredths is 2,651 and 62 hundredths. Again, if I wanted to check my answer real quick, just to see if I think I'm pretty right, what I could do is simply round these numbers. So if I want to look at 673 to the nearest 10, I can rewrite that as 670. And if I look at 3 and 94 hundredths, that's really close to 4, so I'm going to rewrite that as just 4. Then I'm going to multiply these together. Okay, so 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. So 670 times 4 is 2,680. So by looking at this answer, I feel pretty comfortable that I've done everything correctly. Again, I can go through my addition again. I can go through this the multiplication. Especially when you're on a test, you really would want to make sure that all this is right, because remember, you either get this right or you don't. So we need to get all these right to make sure that we get a 3 on our assignment. All right, see you later.